welcome to our lesson. I still remain Miss Esther. Okay, so our topic today is beginning silent letters, and the subject is what? Phonics. Lovely. Okay, so we are going to see how we are to begin silent letters. Remember, we are learning how to read. Lovely. So our essence for today's lesson is to teach us how to read. And when we are reading and we come across silent words, what are we supposed to do? In pronouncing some words, you find out that the letters there are silent. Okay, so when we are reading, we discover that there are some words that although the letters are there, but when we are pronouncing those words, we don't sound some of those letters. So today we are going to look at some words that have silent letters in them, and those silent letters, we find them at the beginning of those words. So we are going to take some words and then pronounce them together and see if we can find some beginning letters in it. Okay. So we said earlier that in beginning silent, when we are beginning words with this, how do we sound? This is with this. This is G and N. This one is what? K and N. And the next letter is what? W and R. When we are reading words that begins with these letters, the beginning letters are silent, which means the G is silent, K is also silent, and G is also silent. So when you are pronouncing such word, you begin with the second letter, which is what? You begin with then the next one you begin with what? When you are pronouncing words with this, you begin with what? Okay, now let's see some example. So now we have number one. Look at this word closely. So these are words that begins with silent letters. The first letter in this word is what? G. So when you are pronouncing this word, you will not sound this G. Rather, you will start from the second sound, which is what? So instead of you pronouncing it as gnat, you pronounce it as what? Nat. We pronounce it as what? Nat. Because the beginning letter is what? Silent. It means you will not sound it. Will you sound it? No, you will not. So you will not sound the beginning letter. Rather, you will start from the second letter, which is what? Nat. Okay, now look at the second one. This word begins with a silent letter. When you are pronouncing this, look at it closely. You will not sound the first letter. That means K is silent. Which of the letters is silent? K. So now when you are pronouncing it, you will start from the second letter. The second letter is what? So instead of saying knew, how will you pronounce it? New. But when you are writing down this word, should you spell the new as N-E-W? No, you shouldn't. You should spell it as K-N-E-W. So although we did not sound it when we were pronouncing this word, but when we are writing, should we write the silent sound? Yes, we must write our silent sound. Okay, now, have you seen number 3? Lovely. So now, who can pronounce number 3 for me? Look at it closely. What's that? Lovely. If you said cannot, you are wrong. But if you said not, you are correct. Is it cannot? No, it isn't. Because the K is silent. K is what? Silent. So what's the correct pronunciation? Not. Not. Okay, now look at number 4. Have you seen it? So now, look at the sound closely. Beautiful. Did you identify the magic A sound in this word? Lovely. So the A here has changed the next vowel, which is E sound, to its later sound, which is what? I. So now when we are pronouncing it, we will not sound this because its function here is just to change the sound from E to what? I. So now remember what we said about silent word. Which of the letters are silent? The first letter. And this word starts with which letter? Letter K. That means K is silent. So now this will give us what? Let's start from here and read together. Let's say it together. Knife, 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 knife. So what's this? Knife. Mommy usually use it to cut something. Should you play with this? No, you shouldn't. So number 4 is what? Knife. Did we sound this? No, we didn't. Because it is a silent letter. It is what? A silent letter. Okay, look at the next one. What's this? Beautiful. Did you just say night? You are correct. It is night. It is what? Night. I hope you did not sound this. Did you tell mommy it's night? You didn't. You are smart. It is what? Night. So although it has k at the beginning, but when we were pronouncing it, did we pronounce as night? No, we didn't, because k is silent. So this is what we mean by beginning silent words. There are some words that the letters appear, but we do not sound them. Okay, now look at the next one. What's this? Noun. It's what? Noun. It's what? Noun. Okay, now number 7. Did you see the beginning sound? We said earlier that words that begins with WR, when we are pronouncing it, the first sound, which is W, will be silent. It will be what? Silent. I'm sure you still remember what we said about the magic A. This will not give us read, but it will give us what? Write. This is what? Write. Did we sound W? No, because W is silent. W is what? Okay. So how did we pronounce this number 7? We said it's what? Right. I hope you are writing down this lesson. Lovely. So this is the spelling of right. What's this? Right. Okay, now the next one. Don't sound the first letter. Will you sound this? You won't. So just tell me, what's this? We have R, app. It will give us what? Rap. Lovely. It's what? Rap. So now, when I ask you to spell me rap, should you just spell R-A-P? No, you shouldn't. You should spell it as W-R-A-P. It's what? Rap. So although we did not pronounce this one, we did not sound it when we were pronouncing it. But when we are writing it, we must include it. We must include our silent letters when we are spelling them. If not, our spellings will be wrong. So we pronounce it as what? Rap. Okay, now look at number 9. Number 9 is what? Lovely. You are correct. Wrong. Is what? Wrong. Did we sound this? No, we didn't. We started from the second letter, which is what? Ng. Wrong. Is what? Wrong. So now the last one, number 10. What's this? Will we sound the first letter? No, we will not. We will start from the second one, which is what? So this is east. So it gives us what? Wrist. It gives us what? Wrist. It gives us what? Risk. Wrist. Beautiful. Okay, now, these are what we call silent letters. How do we call them? Silent letters. Do these silent letters appear at the end of the word? No, we have them at the beginning. So this is how we begin silent letters. When we see words like this, when you see a word that starts with GN, Remember, the g is silent. The g is what? Silent. And if it is kn, it means k is silent. So when you are pronouncing it, you start from n. The same thing goes with br. The w is silent and you start from Okay, so what if you are writing words with silent letters that begins with silent letters? Should you exclude those silent letters? No, you shouldn't. You should write them down. But when you are pronouncing it, you don't have to pronounce the first letter. Rather, you start pronouncing it from the second letter. Lovely. Okay. So now what have we discussed so far? We have said that to begin silent letters, we have to look out for the letters that are silent in it. We have also seen some words that begins with silent letters, and we have also pronounced those words accordingly. So if you are reading a passage or you are reading a story and you come across words like this, what should you do? Remember your silent letters, how to begin them. It means when you are pronouncing such words like this, you will not read it as gnat. Remember, g is silent. We don't have anything as gnat, but what we have is nat. So when you are reading, take note of all this. Remember, there are some words that we spell them but we do not pronounce them. So when we are pronouncing such words, the sounds do not come out. But when we are writing them, we include those letters. Okay, so I'm going to give you something to do for me. Okay, so this is the exercise on the board. What does it say? It says you should write down 5 words each that begins with these silent letters. We have the first silent letter, which is what? Gun. Remember what we said earlier about silent letters. Remember the first letters are silent. The next one is what? Kn. But the k is silent, isn't it? So when pronouncing, you start from n. And the next one is what? R. The first letter is silent. And you start pronouncing from the second letter. But you have to look for words that start with this. Words that start with this beginning silent letters. The word should have a silent letter at the beginning. And it should be what? G. So each of them carries 5 words. So you have to write 5 words each. So you have 5 words here, 5 words here, and also 5 words here. Okay. So now write down this and make sure you read your books. Okay. So this is how far we can go for today. On our next lesson, we are going to see how we are going to end silent words. Remember, we are still learning how to read. So we have learned how to begin silent words. On our next lesson, we'll see how we are to end silent letters. So until then, stay safe and obey mom and dad. See you later. Bye.